Hello guys and welcome back to AppWiz. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay in Uber Eats. First, open your preferred browser on your smartphone and search for Afterpay in the search bar. Open the Afterpay website. By clicking the first link that appears in the top right corner, sign up or log into your account. Next, purchase an Uber Eats gift card from the Afterpay website or application. Now open your Uber Eats mobile application, select your favorite restaurant, and start creating your food order. You can add all the food items to your basket, then open the basket and proceed to check out on the payment options. Screen tap. Add payment method. I choose Uber Cash as your payment method. Here, enter the Afterpay gift card code that you got from the Afterpay website or mobile app and press continue. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.